What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We will kick things off today with the Sony A6400, also known as the best mirrorless vlogging camera you can find on the market in 2021. The fast and versatile Alpha A6400 from Sony is an APS-C format device suitable both for photographers and videographers, with plenty of features usually found on more expensive full-frame models. These include the 0.02-second autofocus, real-time AF, and real-time tracking. It also boasts fast shooting up to 11 FPS and quiet shooting up to 8 FPS, enhanced image processing with Bionic X processor, LCD touchscreen with tilt adjustment, internal recording of time-lapse clips, UHD 4K shooting, and much more. The device also sports a 24.2 MP Exmor CMOS sensor and Bionic X image processor that provide high image quality with a wide ISO range of up to 102/400, along with increased recording speeds for internal 4K 30 and full HD 1080p 120 videos. The processor further enhances video capabilities with integrated slow and quick motion video mode that allows full HD video recording at various speeds in the range of 1 to 120 FPS. Also included in the mix is the 4K focus feature, which uses a 425-point wide-frame phase detection system and a 425-point contrast detection system for fast and accurate focusing. This focusing system facilitates more efficient and accurate tracking of moving subjects thanks to the high density of AF points in the frame. The Sony A6500 also features a robust magnesium alloy body that is dust and moisture resistant to allow for harsh environments. It is equipped with an XG8 TrueFinder electronic tracker with 2.36 million points for bright and clear framing of photos, while the refresh rate of 120 FPS enables smooth tracking of fast-moving objects. The rear 921/600 3-inch touchscreen LCD has a tilting design that is conducive to shooting from high and low operating angles and allows intuitive touch focus control. For wireless remote control of cameras or just for sharing images online, there is a built-in Wi-Fi with NFC. Sony A6400 is designed to get as close as possible to users, and so they can set it up as close to your needs as possible. It should be noted that there are many as 89 functions that can be distributed to as many as 8 custom keys. This is a top-notch device for sure. If you want to save money and still get solid quality, we say check out the DJI Pocket 2, the top budget option on the 2021 market. DJI Pocket 2 is the successor of DJI Osmo Pocket, now with a 1 to 1.7-inch CMOS sensor with 64 megapixels, an 8 times digital zoom, and a shooting angle of 93 degrees. The device sports 4 stereo microphones with DJI Matrix Audio Zoom. There are also software enhancements such as ActiveTrack 3.0, built-in glamour effect, hybrid AF 2.0, AI editor, and motion lapse. It has everything you need for high-quality mobile production or family video making or logging, all at a great price. Weighing only 0.25 pounds, this multifunction device has a 3-axis gimbal for smooth movement and easy pan and tilt control. The Pocket 2 can record 4K 60 videos at 100 megabytes per second and up to 60 megapixels photos on a micro SD card with a capacity of up to 256 gigabytes. 4 microphones allow you to record enhanced stereo sound and feature noise reduction. The camera can deliver 8 times zoom for photos, 4 times zoom for 1080p video and audio, 3 times for 2K clips, and 2 times for 4K videos. You can also use the DJI Mimo app for polishing the shots with preset shooting modes, camera gestures, and filters. The app is not even needed to add glamour effects and basic editing, which is great. Unlike a smartphone, the Pocket 2 offers intelligent features such as story mode, ActiveTrack 3.0, hyperlapse, panorama, and motion lapse. It has a passive cooling system that quietly dissipates heat. The rechargeable battery allows the camera to record up to 140 minutes. For the listed price, you really can't beat this guy. If you aren't hesitant to spend a few extra dollars more for a top-quality vlogger camera, we say check out Panasonic Lumix S5, the best premium vlogging camera that can be found in the market in 2021. Before you get into technical issues, the first thing that strikes you about the new Lumix S5 is its body. We are basically looking at one of the cameras of the S1 family, only more compact. This is a good thing for many, especially if they plan to always carry it with them. Otherwise, the keyboard and wheels maintain that classic Panasonic vibe that is very suitable for quick use in all types of situations. Users can adjust a variety of settings that affect shooting a photo or video, such as white balance, ISO, aperture, and more. Going into the technical side, the Lumix S5 includes a 24.2 megapixel full-frame sensor, undoubtedly one of the device's main attractions. Not only will you be able to record videos in 4K resolution, but you'll also have some rather interesting photographic capabilities at your disposal. For example, dual native ISO technology. Thanks to this addition, the sensor integrates two independent circuits that enable better signal control in low-light conditions. Good stuff. This reduces the noise generated by the sensor and increases the quality of the results. In the Lumix S5, the 5-axis sensor stabilizer is maintained and supplemented with a 2-axis IOS built with many of the brand's lenses. With all this, the camera allows you to increase the shutter speed by 6.5 times, ideal for low flicker, low speed shooting, and smoother video without the need for a tripod or gimbal. Also, Panasonic Lumix S5 has an improved autofocus system thanks to the use of new algorithms and artificial intelligence capable of detecting objects and, above all, people, with improved detection of body, head, face, and eyes. The camera is capable of recording video at a maximum resolution of 4K, 60 or 50 frames per second. Therefore, it is undoubtedly the video capabilities that put this Lumix S5 at the top of cameras designed for all types of content creators, not just the most professional. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Up next, meet the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the best action vlog camera you can find on the market in 2021. The main new feature is right there in front, a 1.4-inch LCD screen where you can see and frame yourself while shooting. This is something that users have been asking for from the brand for years, and the manufacturer has finally listened. The main screen, the rear one, is now 16% bigger than the previous model. Rectangular in shape, the front screen can show the complete frame or zoom in on the frame, so you will not see the edges as well as the central part better. Compared to the previous model, the manufacturer has added a 5K video recording resolution with 30 frames per second. This feature is important for several reasons. When you reduce the 5K resolution to full HD video, you get extremely sharp shots, and that's what's most interesting to us. Another useful thing is the great framing possibilities if you create 4K resolution video or, especially, full HD resolution. The HyperSmooth 3.0 video stabilization has been improved again compared to the previous one, with the horizon leveling option that will level the horizon when the GoPro is slightly tilted. The stabilization gets a completely new functionality. It's up to you to choose whether you need to level the horizon or not. The shots of riding a bike through a variety of areas will get a new dimension. With HyperSmooth 3.0 stabilization and a flat horizon, the viewer is much more comfortable watching the video. However, we recommend that you turn off one of these options in at least a part of the video to show viewers the real action scene. The lens can now be removed, which is the most useful option, primarily due to the scratching of the lens. You'll be able to easily replace the lenses if they are scratched, but replacement with an ultra-wide angle lens of 155 degrees is also possible. Also included in the mix are an SD card slot, as well as a USB-C port for charging and communicating with a PC, and for transferring material from the SD card. Thumbs up! After all the carefully summarized reviews, experiences, and opinions, we decided to award the title of the best vlogging camera on the 2021 market to Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is a specially designed compact camera designed for vloggers and influencers that combines the proven shooting capabilities of the RX100 series with an updated, innovative physical design for more efficient video and photo creation. It features a 3-inch side touch flip-out screen and a directional microphone with 3 capsules that are perfect for shooting from the front. The ZV-1 also adds a variety of cool options such as product showcase setting, background defocus function, soft skin effect, and face priority auto exposure. Despite the sleek and lightweight design, the ZV-1 also features a large grip that is ideal for one-handed shooting, combined with a front lamp, a larger rec button on the top panel, and a multi-interface for attaching accessories. Also included in the mix is an impressive Zeiss standard 24-70mm zoom lens with active steady shot image stabilization that reduces camera shake when shooting and recording. At the heart of the Sony ZV-1 is the famous 20.1 megapixel 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor and Bions X image processor. It sports a front LSI, which contributes to impressive performance, along with a wide range of sensitivity to work in a variety of conditions. The camera uses real-time autofocus and real-time tracking to quickly and accurately focus and track subjects. In terms of video specifications, UHD 4K recording at 30p is supported for longer recording times, while the micro HDMI port can be used to connect to an external recorder or monitor if desired. The recording is also aided by Sony S-Log2 and HLG image profiles, adding refined colors, a greater dynamic range, and more detail in shots. For easy left-hand control, there's also an assigned capture key where you can access the zoom option. A new background defocus mode uses the widest possible aperture and is smart enough to shift the focus to the desired object. This fellow will get you premium performance and high durability at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.